What are the requirements to activate Capitec app remotely?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of activating your Capitec app remotely. This is especially handy if you're not able to visit a branch in person or if you prefer the convenience of setting up your banking app from home. Remember, to complete this process, you'll need to have certain details and devices at your disposal.
What do you need to get started?
Before you can activate your Capitec app remotely, there are a few key things you need. A Capitec bank account. You need to be a Capitec bank client with an active account. Registered mobile number. Your mobile number needs to be registered with Capitec and must be active, as you'll receive important notifications and OTPs, one-time PINs, during the process. Smartphone or tablet. The device must have a working internet connection, and it should be compatible with the Capitec app. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Your Capitec debit or credit card. You will need your card number and CVV number, which is located on the back of the card.
How to activate the Capitec app remotely?
Now that you know what you need, let's move on to the steps for activating the Capitec app. 1. Download the Capitec app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store on your device, search for the Capitec app, and download it. 2. Open the Capitec app. After the app has been downloaded, open the app to begin the process. 3. Choose Remote Banking. When the app opens, you will see an option for Remote Banking. Select this. 4. Enter your details. You'll need to input your South African ID number or foreign passport number, and then confirm your mobile number. An SMS will be sent to your registered mobile number. 5. Input your OTP. You will receive an OTP, one-time PIN, via SMS. Enter this in the required field in the app. 6. Create your remote PIN. Now you'll create a new, unique remote PIN that you'll use for the app and internet banking. 7. Activate on another device. If you want to activate the app on another device, you'll need to repeat these steps. Note that you can only have the app active on one device at a time. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can activate your Capitec app remotely and manage your finances from the comfort of your own home. Just remember to keep your remote PIN confidential and change it regularly to keep your account secure. Happy banking!